We don't have a specific reason here, but it's not really hard to imagine given all of the issues between these two countries.
Yeah, as we got to Friday, it was pretty much a foregone conclusion, I would say, given all the other issues that are on, the back burner and on the front burner as well. Of course, trade might be the easiest thing to talk about. However, we heard that reports that the Chinese wanted to get the issues of WeChat and TikTok, those bans by Trump in the United States, onto the agenda for these video conference talks that Liu He was scheduled to have. Well, not really scheduled. It was planned to have with Robert Lighthizer and Steve Mnuchin. But, the talks really never made it to any official public calendar in Washington, D.C. or Beijing. So it just never really happened. And there is no timetable for that to happen again. Originally, it was supposed to be kind of a 6-month checkup on how the phase 1 trade deal was going. But that's also had some hiccups because of the coronavirus, and the pledges that the Chinese have made for agricultural purchases haven't necessarily met those pledged numbers. So there's not a lot of progress to talk about, but there's a lot of contentious issues to talk about. Maybe best to postpone it for right now. But Larry Kudlow, he is of course, top economic advisor to Donald Trump. He did reiterate on Thursday that the trade deal was going well. His words. That's even after on Tuesday, Donald Trump had indicated that maybe phase 1 trade deal is not a big priority right now because things had changed in his estimation in the relationship between China and the United States over the course of 2020.
And Steve, in terms of the latest frictions that we're seeing, this deal for Taiwan is really going to play into just another layer of bilateral tensions between Washington and Beijing.
Yeah, that's right. So this is a formalization of a deal that was announced in August for 66 newest generation F-16 Fighting Falcon fighter jets. That's an alliteration there. That really has rankled Beijing. Back in August, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs said the U.S. arms sales to Taiwan severely violate the One China principle. So this is a first time that this F-16s have been sold to Taiwan since 1992. It's a $62 billion deal. And again, it is something that Beijing will be very upset over, as they always are when the U.S. sells military hardware to Taiwan.